Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Draw So Cute girl wearing a mask. So let's get started. To draw this cute girl, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come to the other side, right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. There's a basic round U for the face. Then I'm going to come to where I started on the edge and I'm going to draw a circle for the eyes. So same thing on the other side. And then I'm going to make them Draw So Cute eyes, so let's come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And same thing over here. So thank you for all the support and love for the drawings I've done so far that have to do with this whole coronavirus pandemic that we're going through right now. And so this was highly requested by you guys. You wanted me to draw a girl with a mask on, so I hope I have not let you down. And you love how this one looks. Okay, so then from there, let's come right here on the edge and we're going to draw two curves for some very simple lashes. And then I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a curve for the brow. Soft, simple curve. And same thing on the other side. And then now to draw the mask. So obviously I'm simplifying this mask, and just to make it a lot easier to draw, I'm going to create a curve that kind of peaks over here where the nose would be and then comes right back down. So I'm just going to start, say, about right here. It's going to touch the eye and it's going to come towards the center, peak a little bit, and then come right back down to the other side. Come in here, fix my angle a little bit. Okay, and then that is pretty much it. So then now we can go ahead and draw the hair. So let's come right here. So I'm going to start about right here and create a curve coming down on this side. And then on this side I'm going to create some bangs. So this is kind of where her hair parts. So I'm just going to create one strand, and then I'm going to bring the rest of her hair, I'm going to sweep it over her brow and up. So then right here in this area, whatever space you have left, you can just finish her face. And then now let's come back to where we drew this curve. We're going to bring it up, curve it in. So this is where her hair parts, about right there. On this side it's going to come down, and this side's going to go up. So I'm going to work on this side first, and I'm just going to draw a soft wave that comes down. And then on this side, I'm going to bring it up a little bit, give her hair some volume, and then start to bring it down. And as I come to this area right here, I'm adding a little clip for her hair. So I'm just going to bring two curves in, and round it off. And then just tuck this right in there. And then this part down here is going to come out and curve. Just going to add some details right here for her hair. Okay, so then I'm pretty much done with the face area. I'm going to finish the hair later after I draw the body. So let's come to the center right here. I'm going to give her a neck right in the center. So right here and there. And we're going to bring this down and create her shoulders. And now that we have her shoulders in about this area is where her armpits would be, so about right here and here, I'm going to give myself 2 points. From those 2 points, I'm going to create a slight angle line down on both sides. Not too long, because we still have to put her hands in there. So just a little bit so that we can figure out where to put everything. And from there, I'm going to use this as my point, and I'm going to create a curve that comes around. So this is the beginning of her overalls. So right in this area, I'm going to create 2 straps. And you can pop it out a little bit if you like. And same thing over here, 2 straps. And then right in the center, I'm going to come in here and create a neckline for her shirt that's inside. And come in here before I forget, and I'm going to put 2 buttons right here. And then let's see here and connect it with 2 lines right here. Okay, so then now, because we need to draw the hands first, but if you're using a pencil, just finish off this dress first. But like I always say, I'm using a Sharpie and I can't erase. So I'm going to have to come down here with a sleeve first, and about right there I'm going to bring it in for 1 sleeve, and same thing over here. I'm just going to go back and forth, make it a little bit easier. Okay, so we have the sleeves, and now to draw the hands. So we're bending them and bringing them to the center. So that's what you have to be remember. So let's start right here. We're going to bring out angle, and let's draw this angle first. So we're going to bring this up. Okay, and then let's continue that over here, the elbow, right here, and go back up. So same thing over here. So just so it's a little bit easier to see what's going on. So about right here, once again, and we just want to make sure we're at the same angle. So I'm just going to use that as my guide. Whatever is easier for you to figure out this angle. So then come right here. And I'm just going to make sure it's about the same. And once again, bring it in. Okay, so there. We have the 2 angles in. So now we have to be aware of our center. So we're going to start to draw the fingers. So I'm just going to make sure I don't pass this point. And I'm going to go up right here to create this heart with our fingers. It's kind of like a little hook. And it's going to come around. And then right here where the thumb is, it's going to come out, curve a little bit, and back. So that's it. It's kind of like a hook, I guess. So same thing over here. So I'm just going to do the other side right here. So make sure I have my fingers in. And curve just like the other side, and bring the thumb and back. There, the delicate work is done. Yay! So hopefully I helped you draw that. It wasn't too complicated. And now we have that in, so we can go ahead and finish our overalls right here. So we're going to continue this curve down. So now it's much simpler and easier to draw. We're done with that part. So let's bring this down. I'm just going to flare out the skirt portion of it a little bit. And then connect it with a little wave so it's not so stiff. And then let's draw the legs. So right here in the center and here. I'm going to go down, just simple, straight legs. So I'm going to work on this side first. That's about right there. I'll start to come down, flare it out. And I'm just giving her basic sneakers, so about right here. I'm going to connect it. And let's draw the detail. So come up here, and then the bottom. And I'm going to cut it off about right here. So I'm going to draw the two sides of our sneakers and then laces. So same thing over here. And flare it out. Hope I'm not going too fast. If I am, please pause the video. From there we can finally finish her hair. So I'm going to come in this area and just tuck in her hair right here. Just wave it and just tuck it in right here. So same thing on this side. And then let's see, let's put in a little bit more detail in the strands. And then right here, I'm going to add some pockets, so some details on her skirt right here, dress. So I'm going to come about right here and pop in two big pockets. Some details right here. And of course, I'm going to put a heart right here. You guys were waiting for that, right? So that now she is my, oh wait, one more. So now she's my Draw So Cute girl wearing a mask. So hopefully you love how this turned out and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.